hold that puppy down when he bites at him.
That's why I started turning it home.
See, Gunner doesn't know. Gunner's like, I don't know how to growl yet, so Mickey's the big boy. Gunner's like,
Isn't
see?
that funny?
So funny as okay, Mickey.
Good boy, Mick. Good boy.
Okay, I think you got him submissive now, Mick.
No. He's like,
No.
Nope, he's still moving.
that's how dogs do. I'm in charge.
It's so funny.
So Mickey's
You got
older,
big
Mickey's
dog.
the older one, right?
Yeah.
Although
He's
short.
Gunner's still puppy. When Gunner grows up and he's a big boy, it's going to be the other way around, I think. But for now, Gunner's still puppy. And he's going to lay there. When a dog's being bad, they tell you to hold him down.
And then Mickey's going.
Gunner just keeps going back for more.
It's so funny. He's like,
I'm so glad you got to see that. 'Cause that's the funniest thing to me. That cracks me up.
Big dog
he's just
holding that
standing
little-
over.
I mean, Gunner could snap his neck if he wanted to.
Look at, there he goes again. You be submissive.
Don't
I
like it.
said
That's what
submissive.
he's showing. He's going to be submissive for you. So come on. So a lot of times what they'll
Mickey
do.
down,
Mickey,
down,
no, you can't